First big snowstorm for Russ.
Take one.
And for Eli. Hey, buddy. I think we have about 15 inches. Russ is gonna go explore.
Wait, this isn't funny. How is he gonna get out? How is he gonna get anywhere?
Go get it, bud. Come on.
Where's the ball?
Come on.
Oh my God. Honey. Honey, it's up to my knees.
Hold on. Stay there.
Wait, hon, it's up to my knees.
What do you think, Russ?
Hon, honey, look at my knees. Ooh. His chest is exposed. It's okay. Honey?
What?
I can't move. I mean, this is unbelievable. Hon, how many inches is this? Hon.
It's definitely 2 feet.
What?
It's definitely at least 2 feet.
Look
It's
at
over my knees.
What?
It's over my knees.
I don't think I want to go anymore. Okay?
I don't think Russ does either.
We should cross-country ski.
What do you think, bud?